Yes, he came. He came with 2 governors and 1 other person. Unfortunately, the 2 governors are APC governors, unfortunately. So I will not pursue him. And he said, he wants peace. Fine. I want peace. Right?
Have you forgiven him?
You see, that's the problem you have. A man came. There are steps. You see, I don't understand how a man came. You would think that this thing is just just say to have, I want peace. Then you go, and peace has come. What that means that there's an open door, there's an open window for you. Take the necessary steps to show really you want peace. Indeed, this is a self-inflicted injury. Does he need it? Does he need it? When this thing started, I called him. Sheyi Makinde was there. Otong was there. Ibazu was there. Umayi was there. And we were scouting. We started that, look, this thing is no good for you. God has given you this thing. Why not humbly? And don't allow people to push you. They are telling you to act, you're a governor. We know. Nobody is taking the way you're a governor. But also mind you, that people labored day and night. And all I have said, don't abandon people who have labored, who have toiled day and night. They say, oh, we just trying to control, demand money, this and that, this and that. I'm sure all of you were of that opinion. There's nothing, they have a television called Arise, who just, without even facts, they adopted for it. They push him and push him. Governors can push him. Where are they now? I think those governors are enjoying their own. You see that? You don't need to have been to that kind of problem. This was a young man. I said, look, go this way, go this way. You will not have problem. People came, don't marry him, don't marry him. Assert yourself as governor. You've asserted now. Trouble has come. Trouble has come. People push you. Look, they declare state of emergency. Who wears the shoe knows where it pitches him. Who will suffer? Okay, assuming now you don't settle this problem, and the state of emergency is called off, has the problem ended? Has it ended? No. One, assembly will still be fed as they have been. So the crisis will still be there. They will not pass their budget. You won't get money for the federal allocation.
So when he came for the meeting, did you give him a time for peace?
I cannot. You came with people for the first time.
Yeah, did you agree on follow-up?
I will not say follow-up now. Why do you talk like that? You came and said it's good. Now, what does it mean? Haven't done that. You take the necessary steps.
Let's talk about.
You talk as if you are not. Is anybody who's under? Hold on. Is there anybody who's under 18 here? Hey, Governor, why would you have to ask me what are the necessary steps?
What are the conditions you gave?
What conditions? What are the conditions?
The roadmap you gave him to follow.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. I told him, I said, look, I don't think you have the capacity to really make this peace, because it's not easy. And that's why when I read what I read yesterday, I felt so bad. I said, well, why? If we are making peace, there are people are demonstrating every day. If they are making peace, there are people are busy on television insulting people. How do you feel in that case? No, that's what I'm saying now. That's the point I'm making. At least you have not tried to take a step to say, look, I'm not a party to all the things that you are doing. Do you understand me? But that's not enough to say you have really, you must take steps. Have you made assembly people? There are leaders you should meet. I don't know what I'm saying. It's not to say, I want this. Yes, you must show by conduct and by action that indeed, look, when I was chairman of council, some leaders of the party tried to balkanize and tried to impeach me, right? Impeachment is a constitutional provision. So I sat back. I'm a politician. I sat back. I called our team. Look, what do we do? We stood to conquer. All we say, we don't go agree or we don't go agree. They're not there. You have to use your head.
The belief is that it is you that will have to hold his hand and probably hold his feet to the ground and take him around that path.
I've never seen the kind of politician that you are. Is that how you play our politics?
You made me.
You made him how?
You were the one who introduced him. So if it's in trouble now, it is you that will have to hold him and navigate all the paths.
Listen to what I said. When you hurt people, it's not a one-day thing.
So you still feel hurt?
It don't mean, you see, that's the problem you have. When you say me.
Yeah, you say,
hold on.
You symbolize
that is the mistake you make. The day you lose your leadership is the day you think that you can take decision
on behalf of all.
On behalf of people. Don't dare it. Make sure everybody is part of what you are doing. And that is even part of what you are doing. You have the Speaker of the House. Have you made an attempt to talk to Speaker? Let it be that there's no enroll. Did you understand me? Then that propels me, what's going on? Have you seen the people? Look, I've done my best. I've told them like this. They have said like this. There's somebody who will now come in. Not just somebody wanted to say you want peace.
You told the governor all of this.
No, I'm asking you. No, the point I'm making is that I had a problem when I was council chairman. That they have organized for councillors to impeach me. I didn't sleep. I called my team. Impeachment is a constitutional provision. It's not a coup. I didn't wait. I had to move in. I said, listen, the way we understand is not what happened. The way you know, that's how it is. This one is even more dangerous. Listen, let me tell you. That's why you should not listen to people. This one is even more dangerous. When Supreme Court has come out in a judgment to say you have no budget and you're spending public money, is it more dangerous? What facts do you want anybody to present again to any panel? That's why you must go all length to citizen. Yes, we have heard, but we must move forward. They will ask you, how do we move forward? See what I think to do. So they will not tell you, okay, but we don't think like this. Even this, we think that to trust you, how these things happen. Then they must see in reality that they are not being used just to hold time. That it is really indeed that you want to confirm. Yes, he made a public statement yesterday, which I feel for him. Ordinarily, you don't need to be under this kind of situation. If he had listened to people who put themselves down in spite of odds and said, no, we will use him. And then you cannot come down. Within 100 days in office, what kind of pushing, anybody will push you.
Let's talk about the possibility of a return to democratic rule in Rivers State, while the National Assembly has already set up a committee to that effect. The governor was seen yesterday making a statement that went quite viral, where he said that his spirit had left the government house. What do you make of this? And where does that leave the government?
How do I know his spirit is not there?
They've killed his morale.
How will I know? Look, we are politicians. You can say something to attract public sympathy. I'm not carried away by all these. It is, in reality, I don't know. I don't know. How will I know that your spirit has left you? I don't know. After there are people who are preaching, they say that spirit. We found out they are not in any spirit. Have you not seen preachers who tell you, I'm led by the spirit? Whose spirit?
But you said you felt for him now. When you...
No, I mean, is human now. Seeing you talking, you feel, but that does not mean that in reality, what he said is correct or not.
But will you encourage him that is the way to go?
If I would not go, why do I say no problem? Why would I even allow him to come to my house?
Will you be willing to do more?
Are you open for reconciliation?
What kind of questions are that? You are asking me when I'm open for reconciliation, and I open my gate.
No, I said, will you be willing to do more? You know, still tell him, you have not done, you have not finished, though. You still have to see this person, you still have to see this person.
Even at the cause of the problems we're having.
How?
Let me tell you. You know, I don't know what you want me to answer you. I've told you, you're a governor. You're a governor. Governor is not only awarded contracts. You're part of navigating problems. I don't know why you don't understand simple language. I am open for peace. And you are still asking me, am I open for reconciliation?
No.
I mean, I don't. All you want me to do is to go to his house now.
No. I mean, you can summon him. If you call him, the governor definitely will answer you. And you tell him that, okay, I've seen what you are doing, but you still need to do this.
So that's what I'm trying to tell you now. What has he done now? That's what I'm trying to tell you. I have told you here, look, there are leadership. You have assembly. You have national assembly. You have the party. Look, party chairman. Look, speaker. Look this. Or you, sir, can you summon a meeting for me to see speaker, to see our leader, to see party chairman? For example, you know what I'm saying? Those are the kind of thing people expect you to do. Now, let me tell you. As I speak to you, ask, is there any so-called elder in Rivers State who has shown that they want to help him and have come out to say, listen, Mr. Minister, Mr. This, is there no way this thing has gotten to this point? You know why? You know why they can't come?
The atmosphere is poisoned.
No, you know they can't come.
I don't know. Beyond the atmosphere being poisoned, I don't know any reason.
They have. What an elder does not behave like an elder. He loses respect like an elder. Because why? I saw you making statement on television. He didn't talk as an elder. So you can't come to me now.
So that's why I said the atmosphere is poisoned.
No, it's not poison. It's not poison. They poison themselves. You have pastors. Why can't they say, let us go and intervene? You know why? They refuse to preach as God says that the Spirit directed them.